Hello, welcome again to my channel, Bobini channel. Now we will talk about another lesson. It is a background. This is a background. This one is a background. We can choose whatever we would like to change the color, for example, of our background from here. Any color you would like to choose. Red, color red, any color you would like, or you can also find background from Canva. Turn back to show you how. It's an option to find the background. Either you write three dots here to check for background. This is background, and you can choose many different background. Landscape pattern. Those are be can be background. For example, we choose this one. This is an example. This one is a very beautiful one. It is a background, or we can make it as a picture. Detach image from background. This is an image. You can detach it and make it. Or if we would like how to make an image as a background, we can drag the image from here or click on it and it will be appear here any image, and click right and click a place as a background. Look, it will become a background. Okay, how to make an image as a background. You can also check here and write background, and it will appear to you any background you'd like this one. Water, tank water, in a water swim pool or something like that. There are some background that are pro. You should be a pro in a pro to do it. Anyway, this is a background. I will show you. Delete this one. Check for images photo. This one as an example. We can make this one as I said, how to make an image as a background. We can click right and set image as a background. As and now it is a background. You can put another. You can put text on it. For example, lady, lady, lady girl. Other hidden, not hidden. You can subhidden as an example. Turn back if something happened. Other the subhidden. Uh, beautiful, beautiful, cool woman. This is an example. This is yeah, the image is a background. Okay, this is here a background. You can find it here a background. If if you would like to find the background, just check it in your search, the search, or find it in background like that. Or if you don't find it, you can click here, three dots, and you'll find it between because it is up here, it's not here. But if you don't find it here, you can click in three dots and check in between these icons. I hope you the best. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, could you like and subscribe? And I hope you the best. See you later.